because I got that piece from yesterday. I bought that one piece. I didn't even know you had one.
Yeah, man, I tell you that I have one big one there, man.
Oh.
Good. Same way.
Yeah. Let's do the thing where we try to keep the seeds and do the where they boil up the seeds. Now people say when you cut these up they get so sticky though. They get stickiness like everywhere.
No, all of them. Actually, did not get sticky.
Yeah, I was gonna say that's like sometimes you can't even cut them up in a certain place because they just make a mess everywhere. Not spoiled.
Not
Nice one.
Ratty grandfather carried that for ratty, you know. But the play piece not nice, you know. It's not even still in pan.
I love the jackfruit, but I don't like it when it's cooked. I really like eating it fresh like this.
Well, then do cook it?
Yeah, in
Why?
Asian stuff, they cook it or put it with stir fry kind of thing. There's a seed there. So we'll keep the seeds and we'll try that thing to boil.
Right, good, you know. Jackfruit seed. We call that a silver skin.
Jackfruit, the best. I got mango all in my teeth. There's one dog here looks like a raccoon. Like raccoon eyes.
Yeah, then.
This one. You want jackfruit? Well, you guys like jackfruit too.
Wow.
Wow. I'm amazed that it's actually so good inside because they're normally straight green, right? So just the outside's spoiled and inside's fine. Oh wow, look how soft that is. It's pretty crazy. Huge one.
But you didn't hear this.
It is not sticky. I can't believe it. The one that I got in Sumatra a couple months ago.
Sticky.
Man, they wouldn't even let me bring it up to my room. They're like, whoa, whoa, whoa. They see me walking in the homestay with a big piece of jackfruit, and they go, how are you going to cut that up? You better leave it down here. Like some places, they say you even got to oil up the knife to keep the knife from getting sticky.
No jackfruit are not sticky,
These are
brother.
just perfect.
No jackfruit are good things. You know what they might give no feed, you know. A blood clot. Oh, a jackfruit or just somebody no can steam like what just like what you see here, brother.
Are all Jamaican jackfruits like this then?
No.
No, this is just a special one.
Yes. No jackfruit, not skin of the bang.
So people that you never had it, you don't eat this white part. You peel that off, and then you get the yellow part inside, and then that's what has a little seed in it. So you can even pick off. This is like one big pod here. Wow. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Peel it off.
Peel it off.
Mokko's helping me out. There we go. Maybe one more.
One more there.
One little chunk. Maybe that part's bad. But that's.
Take off this little piece. You're good to go.
Yes, brother.
Yes, brother.
Good to go. That's a big piece too.
Yeah, man. I 1.5 see that in a move, dog. The fuck you in a bit, dog. Move, man.
Move it. Comes off in segments. So nice. Making a mess on my shirt, but there's a seed. So we're gonna try that after. I was surprised when I came to Jamaica that dogs like fruit. But I guess there's so much abundance of fruit that when the dogs are running around outside, you know, they're going to eat whatever they can get. So we got these picky North American dogs that sometimes only eat out of a can. Meanwhile, Jamaican dogs rocking off fruit. Oh, here comes another one. So Mokko, I remember you were telling me sometimes if you're really hungry, you'd eat like a whole giant breadfruit. You ever eaten a whole jackfruit? I was gonna say they're huge. They're gonna be like 10 pounds. You know, I think it's the world's biggest fruit. That's what I heard. Because some places, some strains of them grow like 4 times bigger than that even. We'll have to confirm that fact, but that's a crazy. Whoa. Trying to make it fall.
Those team up, yeah. Jackfruit real good, you know.
Yeah, this is a perfect one.
So people don't look by it and they always look good.
It looks like it's gone bad.
But it's really good and hard same way.
Yeah.
No problem with the jackfruit, you know. Here's your big friend. Your big friend. The big friend dead.
I don't know what big friend you're talking about, man.
Scotty not dead. Your big friend.
Scotty?
Cooking. 1, cooking. Then take viagra and go sex woman and get fucked. Again, then say man give money to buy ram, right? And go take away somebody ram and let somebody Obeah him. That's it.
What? Because I saw him last time at the shop, and his brother.
So, they don't do that.
It's crazy.
And to blood clot thief. Cause the man say, then take away me ram. Me no know who. The man say, I go fuck up somebody. So then say, I go to one from. People say, I Viagra. Danny say, I not saw the Viagra go. Danny. Because Danny say, people take it a foreign when they live a foreign, you know. And then give you something to describe it. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
Wow.
Woo! Jackfruit's working.
Working, man. Good something best to what the doctor recommend it, you know. And cut out all the blood, the seed, and put it in a plastic bag.
Let's do that, yeah.
And put it in my fridge. So when you not get nothing more good there now. Little more me that because I can't doctor me good jackfruit. I'm not crazy. If me go to eat this time, no fuck. This is mine.
The flies are onto it though.
But now I go take me a jackfruit now. I can't get jack dog them this nice big. I found where they may eat it, you know, man. But I gonna pick out everything, put in a nice plastic bag like this. Cut them off. Not later on, not tomorrow, no, little more. Put them in a one something, put them in a one bag. And get it to heat, man.
Nice.
I got some place they put in a bag, you know?